Guys, this is part 3 of part 2. The video keeps cutting off. I don't know why. Okay, let's get straight into it. Remember, plug your ears. Whoa, that was a big one. Okay, let's watch this. Whoa, that was cool if you ask me. Pretty cool. William, there's fireworks over there. They're so far away, the sound is delayed. Okay, guys. Come on, just light another one. Okay, he's gonna light a bottle rocket. Ooh, 2 at a time. Whoa, what was that? Whoa. I hope you guys saw both, but the camera probably couldn't catch. Whoa! Everything here is awesome. Everybody's lighting fireworks. It's crazy. Okay. What's he doing now? A bottle rocket? Yeah, definitely a bottle rocket. Sorry, that was just my dad. Whoa! Look, they explode and then it takes a second for the sound to get here. Oh, I think he's gonna do it. He's gonna do a big one. Maybe not. Okay, just so you know, I'm not at my house. I'm visiting a friend's house. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh! I really hope you guys could see all of that. It was huge. That. Okay, well, see what we're doing next. Ooh, I think we're doing a shower? Well, let's see. I love it. Kind of like the showers. They're just so satisfying. His lighter won't work. Okay, now, is it shower? Ooh, this is a nice shower. Woo! 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 It's shooting out these things that pop. It was shooting out little bombs into the sky. It's a rocket launcher. Okay. See, look at the fireworks over there. They blow up and then the sound comes later. Like by a millisecond? No, not by a millisecond. The ones over there, it takes like half a second. Hey, what are you doing? I'm recording fireworks. Put on my YouTube channel.
All right. Well, remember, we don't have to record all of them.
This is part 3 of part 2.
Is there going to be a part 2?
Who knows?
Part 3.
Watch this, guys. Is it a shower?
Whoa,
Whoa, it's like a fireball.
that's what it is.
Whoa, this is awesome.
Every
Shooting
time I
out.
think it's done, it's not.
Good, you need some help.
My
It's
eyes
done?
hurt.
So many.
It's actually done now. That was cool. Literally
My
shoots
eyes
out
hurt and I
flaming
just-
balls.
Are you having the touch?
I'm having
Whoa! Look, the sound is
You gotta get
delayed.
after this,
Look
so.
over there, the sound is delayed, kind of.
I haven't designated driver right now.
Not I.
When you sneak up on it.
Ooh, yes, another one. Okay, let's see, what does this one? Oh, come come on with you. I'm sorry. I just didn't buy you to get the fireworks.
How you doing?
Gonna work out over here?
So,
No idea. Pretty cool shower. I just like showers because like you play it, you do it, it's so satisfying. Let me just try doing something real quick, guys. Let me turn this bright. I can see a bit better, hopefully now. Okay, is that all the fireworks? Oh, we got, is that wiggle, wiggle, wiggle? Hey, you guys. Okay, this is kind of like a meme firework. Let's see what it is.
What are you doing?
None of your beeswax. Okay, we're doing one of like the finale ones. We actually bought two of them. We did, I think we did, yeah, we did one at the beginning. Okay, let's do this. Why do I hear glass? Okay, well, let's.
I don't know. I haven't seen him on the camera, so
Let's do
we'll see.
Fireflies keep crawling on me. Okay. Why won't he light it? He won't light it. He just won't light it. That's what it's from.
Hey, you guys. What is? That's from Goonies.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be like a meat.
this is like so much better.
Okay, see this? Wow. They jiggle in the air. Whoa.
Hey, William.
That was awesome. Looks so cool in person. Look over there. Look over there. Just look at any fireworks around us. They're all delayed by like, the sound is all delayed by like half a second.
Nick peeing on the.
He is, yes. Strong streak.
He's had.
So they had so much fireworks, you know, behind us over there last night. They had the leaf blower out there blowing all this stuff together.
How we doing over here, guys?
Wind it down real hard.
Hey, William, there's a
Can
firefly.
I help you get anything together?
Red above your head.
Can you get anything together?
We have everything we run.
Is that every firework? Okay. Well, I hope I said this at the beginning. Probably didn't. I was really rushing. Remember to watch part 1 and 2 before this.
We did all of them.
Okay. I was really rushing between one video and another. So
Still fun in Hazel Park, okay?
look, the sound is delayed just a bit.
Justin's got a big one.
It's weird, right?
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
There's pretty girls.
We are.
William, look. You can see it. They blow up, then the sound takes
So
a
those
second.
are also just in somebody's
Yes.
house.
Yeah.
I was thinking those might be from the park.
Count to one. It's
No,
1
that's
mile away.
behind. That's behind.
Is
us.
that all the fireworks? Oh, look. We have another one. Let's watch this. This is gonna be
He must have gotten like
okay. Let's check it out.
No, the guy
Ooh, what are those?
The big ones.
The big ones.
The ones we've been seeing from the other places.
Oh, hail the big ones. All hail the big ones. I'll actually allow that this one time. Whoa! Now I won't. Me.
I'm gonna grab a chair.
You want a chair? I can go get it. You want me to go grab a chair?
I can't back up.
Here, let me go grab one. Let me just grab it. Then you'll download it. Here, stay with Dad for a second.
Can I just go over? I'm just gonna go over here. Why can't I just go over here? Okay, guys. The big ones. Oh my gosh. They're huge. Guys, you think that was awesome? Because I think it was. And I know I'm really cringe a lot, so just saying that. What was that? Ooh. You. Okay, what's this? It went so fast it whistled. That was crazy, guys. They're all around us. They're coming. Okay. Let's walk. Let's do this.